हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द सॉफ्ट इंजन। इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्लीज चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर लें। यू नो वी आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन डिवाइस और हर डिवाइस अपने सिस्टम को अप टू डेट रखना चाहती है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजन वी जस्ट नेग्लेक्ट दिस काइंड ऑफ अपडेट्स. So why we neglecting this one? In this market we have lots of device like Android phones, iPhones, Windows systems and the macOS. हर डिवाइस के अपने डिफरेंट अपडेट्स अलर्ट्स हैं और ईयरली और मंथली बेसिस पे दे चेंज देयर अपडेट, दे रिकवर देयर अपडेट्स. So that's the reason people are annoyed with this kind of pop-up. So we have some reason why the people mostly ignore this kind of pop-up. If you relate yourself with this reason, please comment below. Here are some reason to ignore the updates. पहला रीजन है कॉस्टली. यस, मोस्ट ऑफ ओएस अपडेट लाइसेंस वर्जन होते हैं और कुछ कंपनियां इतना एक्सपेंसिव अपडेशन नहीं करवाती. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल यूज डुप्लीकेट ओएस वर्जन and this is the reason only they ignoring the updation of the system. They are working with the older version. Second reason, the incompatibility, like your device not support any hardware after updation, your device not support the lower version, and you don't have that much memory or that much capacity what the OS requirement you have. So this kind of incompatibility the most reason why the people ignoring the updates. And the most reason of this is time. Yes, all the people are busy on their work, they don't have the time to be update their system. Or we know that updation take time, it's take few hours to installation the new update, but sometime it's maybe crash and the people lost their data. So for the successful installation will take time and the proper processing it's required. So here the main reason for ignoring the updates. What do you think? If you think there's some more reason, please comment below. You always think why we should update the system. What is the effect of software update? Update करेंगे तो क्या होगा? उससे क्या फायदे? So here we have some essential reason you should update the system. So let's start it. So first reason is fixed security holes. What kind of security hole? अगर कोई हैकर है जो पुराने ओएस सिस्टम्स को हैक कर चुका है, सो जो हैकर की जो होल्स हैं वो फिक्स किए जाते हैं. और अगर वो फिक्स हो गए सो आपके सिस्टम पे कोई अटैक नहीं होगा. फॉर द रीजन आपका सिस्टम सिक्योर होगा फ्यूचर के लिए. द सेकेंड रीजन वी हैव improve system stability. What kind of stability we improve with OS system? अगर आपका सिस्टम ओवरऑल बग्स फिक्सेस हैं and there is no issue, then it work very smoothly, very fastly, so the performance of your system will be increased and result will be giving the higher marketing rate and it's increase your productions. So third reason is to get the latest feature. हम सभी जानते हैं जब कोई एक नया ओएस रिलीज होता है वो डिफरेंट टाइप के फीचर्स उसमें इम्प्लीमेंट होते हैं. सो दिस फीचर इज वेरी यूजफुल टू द न्यू यूजर और आप उन न्यू फीचर से न्यू इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस भी कर सकते हैं एंड द न्यू ओएस ऑलवेज द यूजफुल फॉर यू. फोर्थ, एक्सेस फ्यूचर टेक्नोलॉजी. जब लेटेस्ट ओएस अपडेट करते हैं उसके साथ साथ कुछ फ्यूचर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी होते हैं. वो अगर आप सिस्टम अप टू डेट रखेंगे then you are ready for the new enhancement, technology enhancement. Suppose you have a device, you have the 5G device, the 5G implementation will be there, but right now we are not using any app which are using the 5G. So according to that technology, if any app will work on this, so it's easily accessible in your system. So it's the last but not least reason is to reduce cost. People thinking OS update will be the expensive, but it's not. If you use the older system, it will be more costly as compared to new OS system. Why? Because the older system have more issue. So more issue have the less security, and the less security will always produce less productivity. So for the better productivity, you have to update your system. So I have some helpful tips for you. Use full tips which you use before updating your system. It really helpful for you. So first, system backup. Yes, while you updating your system, always take backup of your entire system, because something is not go on the way what you plan. So it will be very problematic for you, because it will restore your whole system, it will restore your whole device, maybe you lost your data, something won't be happen. So always take a backup, or you store your data in some cloud storage. Before installing any app, please check the compatibility, like, is your hardware support this new OS version? If you're installing the OS version, is your app support this system, or do you have that much capacity the OS required? You can check all this kind of things which are make your system compatible. Third, check version. So how we check the version? Or we always thinking why company every year update their system. So in versions का logic क्या है और इस number का फंडा क्या है? Let's explain it. So XYZ, suppose you have 12.1.2. So the X indicate that the major changes happen in the OS system. But if you see the 12 is there and 12.1 to change to 12.2, then there will be some minor changes happen on this OS. This kind of often adding and fixing or refining new features. This kind of things happen. When the Z value will be changed, it will be the 12.1.2 or 12.1.3 changes. So Z is kind of bug fixing version. So the different numbering show the different reason why this OS updated, and you can choose according to that, if you want to update your system with the new feature with minor reason or bugs fixing. So you will can do. This is the end of this video. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It's really helpful for me to connect it with you. Thank you.